How's everybody doing today? My name is Brandon Gibson. I'm the owner and developer of the Megalo Global Network. And I want to discuss a new web hosting company that we are going to be launching. We have already launched it, my bad. We have launched it today. I got used to saying we are going to be because we've been in development of this for about going on a year now. So I want to talk about web hosting. A lot of companies out there, but the two main companies we're going to start off with and explain how our services are going to be better than their services. Let's start off with the most popular one that's been around for 15 years, called HostGator. Okay? Whenever you have a HostGator, you go web hosting, HostGator is always the first one to come up. Let me go ahead and minimize myself here so you guys don't have to be annoyed with the screen. Okay, so you go to Google and you type shared hosting. Shared is obviously the cheapest. Most people don't want to pay an arm and a leg for a basic web hosting package. So let's look at this. They got 3 packages. Okay, one website and you get 10 gigabytes of storage. Baby plan is 20 gigabytes storage, 2 websites. 3 websites and you get 40 gigabytes of storage. Okay, so that's their basic shared hosting plans. The business one gets you 40 gigs of storage. Now, I don't know about most of you, but I got flash drives bigger than that. I have a SD card in my phone that has 512 gigabytes, and that's half a terabyte. We got server hard drives that are 14 terabytes. I mean, 40 gigabytes is not a lot nowadays. Hell, you can get more data on that with your cell phone plan. So that's what they do, okay? But there are several things that they don't tell you that they're going to do. Example, if you send more than 200 emails per hour, they limit your email sending. If you got a fairly good sized email newsletter, this is not going to work. Let's go to the other competitor, which is fairly well known, called Namecheap. And they get their name for exactly the name. It's there because they're cheap. So they have 3 packages. You get 20 gigabytes of hard drive space and 3 websites for the $1.98 a month plan. Okay? Sounds good, don't it? So then you get the popular plan, which is called Stellar. They have unmetered SSD, which means it's unlimited. But what they don't tell you is, you don't find this out till after you pay for it, they cap you out at 300,000 files. They call it an inode, but it's actually a file. If you have more than that, you're going to fill up your drive. And then all of a sudden, they're going to tell you need to pay an arm and a leg for a dedicated server. Well, you don't need a dedicated server unless you have an insanely big platform. So, they limit you. Not to mention, if you send more than 100 emails an hour, they will block your website from sending emails further. They don't tell you they're going to do that. This one, they cap you out at 50 gigabytes, which is no different than HostGator over there. And they have a 6,000 inode limit or file limit. Now this does not sound unlimited, does it? When they say they're unlimited, but yet they limit your ability to work. So here's the control panel that they use. This is a demo. This is the cpanel.com demo. And it is what I'm referring to. Okay? This is a very similar platform to what we have. And instead of paying $60 a month and wasting that $60 a month on a copy of cPanel, Megalo Web Services, we built our own. This is the Megalo CP control panel. If you notice, it is very similar to the original cPanel theme, which was called Lantern. Paper Lantern. So this is our control panel. You can edit your caching, web optimization. You can even block visitors from different countries or specific people if they tried to hack your website, you name it. Security headers are always good. File manager, your FTP accounts. You can even build your website with our built-in web builder. And this is our particular copy of the service. This is what we use for our hosting. This is our account on our system. Excuse me, I just got over a cold last week. So this is our control panel. And we set them up manually on every order. We don't want anything automated, just in case customers make a mistake and they want something else. We want to be able to cater to you guys. So we click on Get a Server on our website. Let's go ahead and use our domain. Since we already own it, it won't hurt to punch it in there. Click Use. And then it will take you to our pricing, which is $60 a year, $120 every 2 years, $180 for 3 years. And it's a flat rate on a flat cost, and that's what you'll pay for that duration. A yearly, every 2 years, or every 3 years. Okay? So that's basically $5 a month right there that you're getting our services from. And we will go into our admin, data center admin, and we'll create your account for that domain. And we have to do it manually because every client is required to do a web hosting contract. You'll get that $30 if you decide you don't want the service within 30 days of ordering. Then we will cancel that account for you and refund every penny. But if you wait till after 30 days, you're going to be locked into that contract for that duration of time. 1 year, 2 years, or 3 years. And it protects you and us at the same time, and contracts are required by our insurance company. So you'll have all the opportunities every other control panel has. Okay, you'll have a shared IP address. You'll have the ability to access it, Megalo.cp, Megalo Web Services. That's our login address. And you can set up the FTP accounts. You can set up various different things. See, our web space is unlimited. It is unmetered, 100% unmetered. Emails are unlimited. You can send as many emails as you want. And if you need help, we have this option here for you to punch in your name. I'm going to say my name. Yep, see, it just notified me that I'm on there. If you need help from us, we'll be ready to go. We have several technicians. Say, hello, I need help. And then you click go. Sorry. I'm going to turn this down so it doesn't make so much noise. And for some stupid reason, it's not ringing. There's me. I'm pulling up my chat window now. I'm going to go ahead and join the chat. Say, hello, how may I help you? And you can chat live with our support reps right here within the app. And there it is. Hello, how may I help you? Yes, I love the new control panel. And you heard the beep, and I just got the message on my deal. So then we're going to go ahead and close the chat because we're not going to sit here and talk to ourselves in a demonstration. You can also use our support chat URL to do the same thing. Pop it open, it'll just give you a bigger window of exactly what we just did. There it goes again. You just heard us, and it's dinging my chat software along with anybody else that's on the network tonight. And we hire people to do contract work. All independent contractors, but they have to be American. We don't hire anybody from foreign countries because we believe in bringing jobs back to America, not outsourcing them to other countries and taking them away from good, hardworking Americans. So if you guys want to work as a reseller, for every server you sell, you will get 50% of this. What is 50% of 60? Let's go ahead and use our calculator that every Windows computer has. 60 divided by 2. And your commission is $30 for that server. The more you sell, the more you earn. 120. What's the 120 divided by 2? That's a $60 commission. 180. What is 180 divided by 2? That's $90 commission. So there you go. The more you sell, the more you earn. And we are doing it similar to an Uber app. You know how you drive people places and you drop them off and then Uber gives you a commission of the rate that day? Well, we're doing a similar thing. We're doing it with web hosting. So we have literally unlimited accounts that we can sell. We have unlimited servers available to the world. And if you guys want to earn, go for it. Contact us. We'll set you up with an application. All you have to have is liability, cybersecurity insurance, along with a valid business license and you have to pass our training course on how to use the selling software and the control panel, which takes about a day. In fact, it's going to be a live, it's not going to be live, it's going to be an all-in-one video deal that you can watch. You have to train yourself. We'll provide those videos, but it is up to you to actually watch them. We just have to verify that you passed the course, because we'll make you take a test when you're done. And that is where Megalo University is going to come in. So, you guys got a little bit of an introduction today on our control panel and web hosting company and how we are going to beat the competition by being truly unlimited. As our website says, who wants limitations when the universe is truly unlimited? Am I right? God bless everybody. I hope you have a great weekend. And I hope it's warm wherever you're at.